Hello, this is Joe.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure you keep watching. So what is today's phrase?
What is this?
It is, I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish have any? So what is that in Japanese?
ピーナッツアレルギーです。この料理には入っていますか?
So yeah, this is what you would ask, especially if you're at a restaurant and you want to know, let's say you're allergic to something like peanuts, so you can replace that with any allergy that you might have. And then you would just ask if the dish that you want to eat has any of this allergen, so you don't get sick.
Okay. So peanuts allergy. I don't hear much in Japan actually.
In Japan, they don't eat much peanuts, do they?
No.
They do?
Yeah, we eat often. Of
Oh,
course,
really?
Like peanuts and like butter jam, and of
They
course
eat
like
peanut
normal
butter?
peanuts. Of course.
I never saw. Oh, okay.
Chocolate,
I didn't know
peanuts,
that.
And jelly, whatever we have like here.
Because actually in Finland they have no peanut butter.
Really?
Yeah, it's very
Wow.
hard to find peanut butter.
Ah,
They don't like it, yeah.
How about the peanut chocolate?
Nope.
Really?
They don't eat, nope.
Ah, it's a very common peanut chocolate.
If you're in Finland, you have to go to the international section of a large grocery store, and you might be able to find Reese's cups. That's the only peanut, like chocolate candy you can find.
What do you mean they don't like it? Of
I
course
guess
they can
not.
import from any country the peanuts is everywhere. They're
Well-
very cheap and very good nutrition, good food for you.
I know, I guess they just don't like to eat it. Because like, Finland and Sweden, a lot of those countries really love candy too, so they make like many varieties of candy, kind of similar to Japan, you know? I feel like that's not really true as much in America, but in Finland and like other European countries, they make many varieties of like chocolates and gummies and stuff, but they don't have anything peanut.
I don't know why. How about almond?
I don't know. I think they like almond. I think like marzipan. I think marzipan's almond. That's like kind of almond paste.
Almond is okay, but peanuts not good.
Yeah. I don't know why.
Walnuts.
Walnut? Yeah, they like walnut, I think. They like hazelnuts. A lot of their chocolate is hazelnuts.
Maybe called the allergy, no? Maybe it's a reason, maybe?
You think a lot of Finnish people are just allergic to peanuts?
Maybe.
I have no idea.
And of course, each country has some different regulation. Maybe a few people died for that, and they don't put peanuts anymore. Maybe that's possible.
Maybe. I don't know. I have no idea, honestly.
Some of them has a very strong allergy for peanuts. I've heard one time in high school student couple, you know, she just maybe guy ate a peanuts and just kissed it and died. She died.
Oh no.
Yeah. Just even
That's
like
awful.
a little peanuts ate it and just kind of like slightly touch it and still kill the people. That's strong, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why a lot of people have severe allergies carry around an EpiPen. Do you know what that is?
EpiPen.
EpiPen.
What the?
It's like an emergency injection. If you get a severe allergic reaction, you inject that and it'll calm down your symptoms until you have to go to the hospital.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's pretty common for people to have severe allergies here.
Sometimes they have to have.
Yeah, always have it. Yeah, definitely. It can like save their life.
And even allergy and of course United States, lots of different religious reasons they cannot eat sometimes like a pork and a beef.
Yep, especially in New York City with so
Yeah,
many different
I know.
people, yeah.
Yeah. The pork, very common. Like Islam people don't eat pork.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I always forget because I'm like, I'm pretty sure Indians don't eat beef, right? So
Like
Islam, they don't
Hindu,
eat pork. Okay.
Hindu religious people
Yeah.
don't eat beef, and Islam people don't eat pork.
And then there's a lot of vegans here who don't eat any meat.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I even know Mormon. Do you know Mormon, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Mormon people, maybe Japanese people too, you see often sometime with like a t-shirt, white shirts and a white one, put the name and all of the from Utah. So most of them very blonde and very white people. Yeah, actually I used to learn English from them.
Yeah.
It's a free.
That's great.
Yes. So
It's
if you
very
wanna
nice of
go-
them.
Yeah, very
I mean,
nice. Actually.
Yeah.
I like that. Of course, they're gonna talk about the religion.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Even they check, okay, this guy is okay, this guy is not good. I say, so I always don't listen at all.
Wait, what are they checking for?
Yeah,
Like, does this guy do drugs or something?
No.
Oh,
This
okay.
guy might be listen our things.
Oh, okay.
So I always thought that my one is coming like a lot of like cross mark.
Wait. So they were saying like you would listen or you would not listen?
Yeah, this guy might be listen to us,
Oh, they said you would listen.
Yeah, so
Okay,
no.
okay.
I mean, they didn't take me. Maybe this guy gonna listen to us.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So,
Okay.
like, what's called like
So no more English lessons?
No. I just went. No problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyway, free and a group lesson. It's actually very good. I've been to Spain too. I was learning Spanish and I went to the Mormon church and it was free.
Yeah.
Yeah, English lesson. It's good.
That's good.
No, it's good things actually.
It paid off.
Yep. Maybe.
Yeah.
Not sure. But just I know.
What do you mean you're not sure? You can speak English now.
I know, but just I was by myself anyway. I needed someone to talk. So it was good actually.
Yeah.
Yes. And even like the Jewish people here, lots of them, or they cannot eat. You know that?
What was it? I don't know like the dietary restrictions of every religion.
Jewish people, they cannot eat octopus.
Octopus?
Yeah, something live in the ocean and underground, they cannot eat.
Okay.
Very, very like
Octopus
strict.
live underground?
Yeah, they actually schooling.
Oh, like living on the ground?
Yes.
Kind of. Okay.
Sometime, of course, like a swimming, but sometime on the ground. Oh, there's a very strict rules. Or some even a fish. I forget exactly. Some fin on the side, on the top, and which one cannot eat, one I forgot like that. Even like a beef and how to kill the.
Yeah, I know about that.
Yeah. The way to kill.
Like kosher food?
Yeah. Kosher food. Yeah. But in every food in New York City, actually it was very good, very tasty. Have you tried a kosher food?
Nope. I don't think so.
Yeah. I used to play the guitar in a kosher food restaurant and they made us all the time like a beef sandwiches. Very good.
Oh, okay, that's
really
cool.
Surprised.
Maybe, do they kill more humanely or something like that?
Humanely?
It's like more, like...
yeah. No, not really. Just to take all the blood first like that. So maybe
Oh, I see.
I remember maybe was wrong, I'm sure. I thought that they had to hang it and all the blood and first take it off and they have to cook it like that.
Well, we're not Jewish, so we don't really know.
I have no idea.
But you said the food's good.
Yeah, so it's very, very tasty.
That's good.
And of course, New York, a lot of Jewish people here, and you see a lot of kosher food. Maybe you should try that.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, price-wise, it's very good too.
Coming to New York City is a good opportunity to try like food from all around the world. It's
Yes.
very authentic, so
Yes.
it's always good to do that.
And I remember when Mormon we were talking about before, but they cannot drink coffee and caffeine and even Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah. But even Pepsi maybe. Coke or Pepsi.
yeah.
Why? is that?
Pepsi's okay, not Coke.
Yeah, maybe
There-
that.
There's like some kind of like business affiliation. Like you're not allowed to drink Coke, only Pepsi.
Maybe, I don't know.
I'm just kidding. It's
There's
okay.
a caffeine on it?
Yes. Yeah.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
Coke? Yes. That'd be caffeine, called caffeine.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
I think most soda has caffeine.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
A can juice?
Yeah. Usually, most soda.
I didn't know that.
At least here.
Like a even Fanta?
Like Mountain
a Fanta
Dew and
orange?
stuff.
Really? Caffeine
Yeah.
on it?
Yeah. Supposedly. I've been told. I could be wrong.
I didn't know that. Yeah. But anyway, that's kind of for us, for Japanese, because it's very rare. I cannot eat pork and beef, and I cannot drink Coke. I love coffee jelly. I never can be the Mormon.
You just need coffee jelly all the time.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I have a hard time with dietary restrictions too. I never go on diets at all.
Okay.
No, so I don't know.
You cannot eat umeboshi and natto.
That's different though. That's just preference. That's not like you're not allowed to eat it.
You really cannot eat natto.
No, I can't.
Even you cannot touch it.
No, I can't even like smell it. I need to be away.
Sorry for you.
No.
It's the best food. You know, in Japan now the coronavirus, actually just said, and very good to protect from the virus.
Yeah, of course it's healthy.
Yeah, so lots of Japanese people eating natto hard now.
That's a good little marketing strategy there.
Yes,
no, but obviously it's healthy though.
I remember one time I used to work in a cafe. Of course, no one can eat, but lots of cockroach, you know, the goki-buri in the dish. It's everywhere.
I think most restaurants do. They just do a good job hiding it.
Yes.
I mean, New York City is pretty strict with like its health regulations, but like in other restaurants maybe they have those problems.
Yes, but usually though, they have to figure out how to get rid of it. But my restaurant owner don't care at all, and most of the customer are high school students at the time. So each time, even like they bring the food. And lots of cockroaches, like half, already they ate it. And we just gave like a small ice cream. I feel like awful now. Whatever. Sorry for that.
I hope no one got sick.
Yes.
Scary.
I don't think so.
I know, but if you're eating that much of a cockroach, like they carry disease and stuff too.
Maybe.
It's not safe.
But as the scientists said, we are eating 500-gram insect each year. You know, whatever like ketchup you stuff, lots of like insects on it. Like
I think worms and stuff are different. I don't think they have any like disease in them because they just like live in the ground, right? But like cockroaches definitely do carry disease because they like go everywhere and like, you know, kind of have everything on them, especially in cities. Yeah. Maybe not like out in the wild. It's probably fine, but I mean like specifically in cities where it's not really that sanitary.
Sometimes I feel sorry for them. If they're like pink, you know, pink or green, blue, that's pretty though. Its shape is very good.
That would never exist here though.
Yeah.
They're all like brown.
Of course, they would never in the world. I've never heard of pink. But it must
hey,
be.
You never know.
If you're a pink, maybe you really like a pink. Maybe you love it. Maybe you can sleep together.
No.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever. Okay,
No.
so let's repeat.
Okay, so I'll say it slowly first and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish have any? Okay, so now a little bit faster. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish have any? Alright, one more time at normal speed. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish have any? And that's it. How'd you do today? Did you do okay?
Sounds good.
So thank you so much for watching.